Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Google Slides, open the presentation and go straight to the left thumbnail column. Click a thumbnail to select one slide, and if you want several, hold Shift for Arrange or Control, CMD on Mac for individual picks. Once you've selected slides, look up the Edit menu and Toolbar Update, which is how you'll remove content properly. Make sure to use the thumbnails rather than the main canvas, so you don't lose layout positioning by accident. Now that your slides are selected, you can delete them in a few fast ways. Press Delete or Backspace for an immediate removal. Alternatively, right-click any selected thumbnail and choose Delete Slide, or use Slide Delete from the top menu. If you're working across collaborators, make sure to check the thumbnail view to confirm exactly which slides disappear. Once deleted, they are removed from the current version, but can be recovered from version history if needed. Proceed deliberately when removing many slides. Finish by confirming the deck flows correctly after removal. Run present or scan thumbnails for gaps, then save. If you deleted the wrong slide, immediately press Ctrl or CMD+Z to undo, or go to File Version History to restore an earlier version that contains the missing slide. Make sure to inspect linked objects and speaker notes. Deleting a slide can break links or remove notes needed for presentation. If collaborators are involved, notify them after finalizing so everyone's working with the same deck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.